In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of purchasing a split license on the DeFi-U product website and making the payment using Ultima tokens. Go to the DeFi-U website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button and log in. The dashboard will open. Scroll down the page to find a list of available licenses in the Split Licenses section. Select the license you need and click Purchase. A window will open prompting you to select a payment method. Choose Ultima. Confirm your agreement with the terms by checking the box and then click Purchase. The next window will display the amount in Ultima and the wallet address to which you should transfer the specified amount. The wallet address will also be available as a QR code, allowing you to complete the transaction using a mobile app. To complete the payment, send the specified amount to the provided wallet address. Please ensure that you send the exact amount shown on the screen. Wait for a payment notification. Now you need to activate the license. To do so, go to the My Licenses section, locate the purchased license, and click Activate. If you wish to view the activation history, navigate to the Activation History tab. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.